But Andrew, have you been watching the Alex Jones trial at all, or any trials?
No, I have not, and I've been regretting it. Frankly, it's like the Amber Heard, Johnny Depp trial. The first 2 weeks I ignored it because I for folks who don't know, I normally just cover use of force, self-defense type cases, George Zimmerman, Kyle Rittenhouse. So I tend to ignore the cases that are not that. And but I end up deeply regretting that decision when it was Amber Heard and Johnny Depp. And I think I'm beginning to regret it when it comes to Alex Jones. This looks like a complete effing circus of a trial. I mean,
It's
Alex
a disaster.
Jones, and listen, I'm not a huge Alex Jones fan. I have no trouble with the guy. I think he's fine. But the way he's destroying the apparent justice of the criminal justice system in this court is unbelievable. Even if you think the guy's half crazy, well, what's that mean about the criminal justice system when he's just doing this to that?
Yeah, he's just completely dismantling the illusion of impartiality, of fairness. I mean, this judge is such a bitch. What she's been like allowing the plaintiff's attorney to get away with it's insane. Like, this is just a damages ruling and or just a damages trial, and they're like bringing up thumbnails that he's doing currently. It's like, okay, so what does his thumbnail from today about the tyrant judge, what does that have anything to do with the damage his statements caused to these parents 10 years ago? Like,
listen, we've all watched criminal trials. We've all watched criminal trials together where this kind of evidence would never be admissible. So why is it admissible now? Because the judge is pissed? Because people don't like Alex Jones personally? I mean, that's not a justification for the admission of evidence.
You didn't see that new that was the new rule in the Connecticut Rules of Civil Procedure, is that if the trial, it's rule 69 FU, and it's
if the defendant happens to be a dickhead, you can admit whatever evidence you want.
No, it's even more specific than that. It's if the defendant happens to be Alex Jones, and this is in reference to the Sandy Hook shooting, then anything comes in.
Yeah, I was listening to.
And again, I'm no huge fan of Alex Jones. I don't have a problem with him, but I'm not a huge fan of him. But they're treating him, this trial, as if he had shot those children himself.